Hi there, I'm Jennifer Norstrom, and I'm so excited to invite you to my upcoming Deepening Intimacy workshop. I'm a licensed therapist with a background in massage therapy and a yoga teacher, and I'm really looking forward to bringing all of these skills together to help couples develop more intimacy. So we're going to be using partner yoga, also some massage techniques on how to give and receive healthy touch, communicating edges and things that may be uncomfortable, how to use the breath or breathe into it, or be able to speak to when something isn't feeling good, and then extending that into more communication specific exercises, learning how to become a better listener, how to become a better speaker, how to be more needs-based in your communication, so you can really own what you're feeling, own what you're needing, and how to get that across so that your partner can understand and really be open to receive what you have to say. So I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you'll join me. If you're interested in more information, click on the link below and we'll take it from there. I look forward to meeting you.